हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू। Leave granted, full stop para. The appellant was posted as Zilla Basic Shiksha Adhikari, District Basti in January 2003, full stop. The appellant was the in charge District Basic Education Officer Gorakhpur when he issued appointment letters to 400 candidates holding B.Ed degrees to the post of assistant teachers in basic schools in bracket primary schools bracket out in district Gorakhpur and 121 candidates in district Basti during April to June 2003, full stop para. The state-wide office order dated 24/7/2003 placed the appellant under suspension and directed a disciplinary/departmental inquiry to be conducted under the Uttar Pradesh Civil Service in bracket discipline and appeal bracket out rules 1999, full stop. The state appointed the Joint Director Basic Education as the inquiry officer, full stop. The charge sheet was filed on 21/8/2003 wherein it was alleged that the appointments of assistant teachers made by the appellant were irregular as they were in violation of rules 16 and 19 in bracket 3 bracket out of the UP Basic Education in bracket teachers bracket out Service Rules 1981 in bracket 1981 rules bracket out, full stop para. The appellant submitted his reply to the charge sheet on 9/11/2003 denying the charges leveled against him, full stop. It was contended that the appointments were made by him in compliance with earlier orders passed by the High Court and directions from senior functionaries, full stop para. The inquiry officer found the appellant guilty of the charges leveled against him in the charge sheet, full stop. The report of the inquiry officer was forwarded to the disciplinary authority on 19/6/2004, full stop para. The appellant challenged the order of suspension by way of WP in bracket C bracket out number 52287/2005 wherein the High Court wide interim order dated 28/7/2005 granted stay of the order of suspension, full stop para. During the pendency of the writ petition, the Deputy Secretary Basic Education Department wide order dated 10/1/2006 proposed punishment of removal from service, full stop para. The appellant challenged the order dated 10/1/2006 by filing WP in bracket C bracket out number 14083 of 2006 wherein wide interim order dated 8/3/2006 the High Court directed stay of the aforesaid order of proposed punishment, full stop para. On the basis of the inquiry report, the government decided to award major punishment of removal from service under the provisions of the UP Civil Service in bracket discipline and appeal bracket out rules 1999 and referred the matter to the Uttar Pradesh Public Service Commission wide government order dated 17/10/2005, full stop. The UP Public Service Commission approved the punishment of removal from service to the appellant wide letter dated 21/12/2006, full stop. The order of removal from service was passed by the governor dated 21/4/2008, full stop para. The appellant challenged the order of removal in WP in bracket C bracket out number 28842/2008 wherein the High Court wide interim order dated 26/2008 directed that the operation, implementation and execution of the order of dismissal dated 21/4/2008 shall remain stayed, full stop para. Subsequent to the interim order, the state government withdrew the proposed order of punishment on 19/5/2010, full stop over. तो दोस्तों ये हो गया है 120 से ज़्यादा की स्पीड का मैटर है, ठीक है, बिना किसी नाम के। नाम आया है गोरखपुर वगैरह से, ज़िले विले का नाम आया है। तो क्या कहते हैं, आराम से लिखिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, लाइक शेयर कर दीजिए। पुराने नए दोनों। ठीक है, 2 मिनट बाद क्रिमिनल डिक्टेशन शुरू करेंगे। ओके, और चलिए मैटर से पहले कुछ बताना सही नहीं है, मैटर के बाद ही बताना ज़्यादा अच्छा रहता है, नहीं तो रिलैक्स हो जाता है ना हाथ। तो थोड़ा उंगलियों को आराम दे दीजिए। क्रिमिनल मैटर में कुछ नए वर्ड्स मिलेंगे आज आपको, ठीक है। सब के लिए नहीं होंगे क्योंकि दिए हैं इसमें कुछ वर्ड्स, कुछ लोगों ने सुने होंगे, कुछ ने नहीं सुने होंगे, लेकिन अच्छा मैटर है। चलिए अभी 30 सेकेंड है, ठीक है, तैयार हो जाइएगा। और कमेंट वगैरह बताइएगा, जो भी हो कमेंट, फिर उसको सही करेंगे। चलिए शुरू करने वाले हैं 5 सेकेंड में। स्टार्ट। डिले condoned, full stop, leave granted, full stop, para. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the impugned judgment and order dated 26/3/2019 passed by the High Court of Judicature at Bombay, bench at Aurangabad, in criminal writ petition number 155 of 2019, by which the High Court has quashed and set aside the order dated 15/10/2018 passed by the Commissioner of Police Aurangabad under sections 3 in bracket 1 bracket out and in bracket 2 bracket out of the Maharashtra Prevention of Dangerous Activities of Slum Lords, Bootleggers, Drug Offenders, Dangerous Persons, Video Pirates, Sand Smugglers, and persons engaged in black marketing of essential commodities Act 1981 in bracket hereinafter referred to as the Act bracket out, and also the order of confirmation of the order of detention made by the state government. The detaining authority has preferred the present appeal full stop, para. That in exercise of powers under section 3 in bracket 1 bracket out and in bracket 2 bracket out of the Act, the Commissioner of Police Aurangabad passed an order to detain the respondent here in treating and considering the respondent as a dangerous person, full stop. The respondent herein was served with the grounds of detention, full stop. The order of detention was approved by the state government, full stop. The matter was referred to the advisory board. The advisory board gave the opinion that there was sufficient cause for preventive detention of the respondent detenue, full stop. That thereafter the detention order was approved by the state government, full stop. The detention order passed by the detaining authority approved by the state government came to be challenged by the respondent herein before the High Court, full stop. That by the impugned judgment and order the High Court has set aside the detention order on merits as well as on the ground that the order of detention prescribing the detention for 12 months is in breach of section 3 of the Act, full stop. Feeling aggrieved with the impugned judgment and order passed by the High Court, the detaining authority has preferred this appeal, full stop, para. Though served, nobody has remained present on behalf of the respondent detenue, full stop. Shri Nishant Ramakant Rao Katneshwar, learned counsel appearing on behalf of the state detaining authority, has vehemently submitted that so far as one of the grounds on which the High Court has set aside the detention order, namely that the detention order prescribing the detention for 12 months is contrary to section 3 of the Act, is not sustainable at law, full stop. It is submitted that the said finding is contrary to the law laid down by this court in the case of T. Devaki versus Government of Tamil Nadu, full stop, para. It is vehemently submitted by Shri Katneshwar, learned counsel appearing on behalf of the state that while holding that the detention order is in breach of section 3 of the act, the high court has not properly appreciated and slash or considered the scope and ambit of section 3 and section 13 of the act, full stop. It is submitted that the High Court has not considered Section 3 of the Act in its proper perspective, full stop. It is submitted, full stop, over. तो फ्रेंड्स ये हो गया है, ठीक है। 120 से ज़्यादा की स्पीड का मैटर है और 120 क्या 124 के ऊपर मानिएगा इसको, ठीक है। एक आध जगह हम अटक गए, कटनेश्वर कर, अजीब सा नाम है ये, कटनेश्वर कर। इसको प्रैक्टिस करिए चाहे ना करिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, ये सब नाम तो बहुत रेयर है। रमाकांत राव निशांत, इसकी प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिएगा, ठीक है। नाम तो जितना ज़्यादा लिखिए उतना अच्छा। स्लम लॉर्ड्स, जो नए वर्ड्स आए थे, बूट लेगर्स, ठीक है, स्लम लॉर्ड था और हमें लगा ज़्यादा नए वर्ड होंगे, लेकिन ठीक है जो भी है, ठीक है। चलिए फिर कमेंट बता दीजिएगा और लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब भी कर दीजिएगा। चलते हैं, अगले मैटर मिलेंगे।